You can delete the history of all wallets in your CloudCoin wallet app if you need to. This action is permanent and irreversible. Check the box to create a backup copy of your previous history if needed for future use. Deleting history will not delete or affect your CloudCoins. After deleting history, there will be an opening balance line item inserted that shows the balance of all CloudCoins, if any, that are in your wallets. Sometimes all the RAIDA are not available during a pwn and the coins become fracked or fractured. This means that one or more of the RAIDA think the coin is counterfeit. Fracked coins will be fixed using the frack fix process. Usually this process happens automatically, but sometimes the process cannot finish because one of the RAIDA is unavailable. In this case, you can fix the fracked coins later when the RAIDA is ready to fix them. The Sky wallets will always be displayed in the drop-down list, so you can fix any of them if you need to. Only the local wallets that have fracked coins will be displayed. If the wallet is not in the list, then it does not have any fracked coins. Limbo coins occur when a request is made and there is not a confirmation from the RAIDA. Limbo coins are fixed immediately, so they usually are not in limbo for more than a few minutes. Echo RAIDA. This shows the state of the RAIDA network. RAIDA clouds that are reachable will be green. RAIDA clouds not reachable will be red. There must be a minimum of 20 RAIDA clouds reachable to be able to transact CloudCoins. Uptime is over 99.9%. However, sometimes network routers, especially at a workplace, may block your access. Echo RAIDA will allow you to see the connections. The default settings will work well in most situations. Auto mode is default. If the CloudCoin wallet detects that the user has a slow network, auto mode will shift from parallel mode to serial mode so that it does not use up all the bandwidth. This occurs in situations using poor internet connections or old computers that cannot handle 25 threads or streams at once. It is recommended to be set in auto mode for most situations. If needed, you can adjust your timeouts. Most tasks are expected to complete in a few seconds. However, if you have a poor internet connection or an older computer, you may need to increase your timeouts. Timeouts are for Echo RAIDA, send and receive coins, detect or pwn, and fixing fracked. Max notes is the maximum amount of CloudCoin files you can import or process at one time. It is now preset at 4,000 with a maximum of 4,000. It is anticipated this will increase to much more with the implementation of the new Super RAIDA technology in the near future. DDNS server can be changed. This feature is reserved for future use. You will also be able to use a custom RAIDA domain in the future when it is needed. The Cloud Bank server is currently an experimental feature and is not fully developed or supported. CloudCoin is the first and only coin that can be recovered if lost. The recovery process needs multiple steps to complete, and this will be explained in another video. The List Serials tool in the Gears menu allows you to list serial numbers from any folder on your computer that contains CloudCoins. You can make a list of any authentic or counterfeit coins, it does not matter. Select the folder from your file system that has the CloudCoins you want to create a serial numbers list for. Click Open and then Continue. Now another pop-up window will open where you can select the destination folder that you want your serial numbers list to be saved to. The default destination is your Documents folder. Change the file name to describe the origin, add a date and details of the list you are saving. Be sure to retain the .csv extension at the end of the file name. The serial numbers list is a CSV or comma-separated variable file that can be imported and viewed in any spreadsheet program. It is good to make updated serial numbers lists from time to time so you have them if you need to file a lost coin report or for lost coin recovery.